Hey everyone, so I got my fireplace here. The seller did send this to me so I can go ahead and show you everything that it comes with. And then we're going to go ahead and put together so I can go ahead and show you the features. I can tell right away everything's just really nice and packed. So let's go ahead and take it out and we'll take a look. So we do have some faux fireplace logs here. We have some decorative stones. We've got a remote control, which is really the easiest way to use this. And then of course we've got our manual. The fireplace itself is 39 by 27. You can see here we've got a 3-prong cord right here, so it's going to plug into a standard outlet. Right here we do have another control if you want to use that instead of using the remote control. This is where the heat's going to come out of. The temperature on this is anywhere between 50 and 99 degrees, and it's 750 watts all the way up to 1500 watts. So this fireplace really looks fantastic. It has 5 flame colors, 5 flame speed modes, 5 flame brightness modes, and 13 burning log color modes. It's real easy to change. Got the remote control here. I can change the speed of the flame. You can see here it gets real slow or real fast. We can actually dim it down or make it nice and bright. The flame bed, one click away, you can change all those different colors. And then the flames themselves. We've got yellows, blues, reds. I mean, it's just real easy to use. Also, it does have a timer from 1 to 8 hours. When the heater's on, it's very low noise and it has overheat protection. Hope you found this helpful.